Have you ever thought about how many unusual and stylish things can be made from plain cardboard? We will tell you how to turn unnecessary cardboard boxes into an original nightlight, an easel for a young artist, and even a bright case for your phone. Cut out trapezoids from a piece of cardboard that have bases of 1 and 3 inches long. Put together a three-dimensional shape using a hot glue gun. Break a coffee stick with pliers. Glue the wooden pieces. Fasten the sticks to the sides of the trapezoid. Attach 2 more pieces to a cardboard square. Secure the lid with small rubber bands. Turn a piece of colored paper into a roll. Secure the edge with hot glue. Fasten the tube to the cardboard piece. Make a hole in the box. Put the construction in it and fasten the edges with a hot glue gun. Cut out a square window at the base. Glue a groove from cardboard. Put it in the box. Cover the piece of cardboard with a round hole. Attach the cardboard handle to the paper tube. Decorate the craft with scrap paper and a foam rubber sheet. Cut out the bottom of a paper cup. Glue it to the hole on the lid. The food dispenser is ready. Pour some dry food in the box and press the pedal with your paw. Puppy food pours directly into the bowl. So, where's my bone? Oh, dry balanced food? Even better! Your pet will check out the auto dispenser and joyfully wag its tail. Bon appetit, baby! Draw an image of a bird on some cardboard. Cut it out. You need a sparkling foam rubber sheet. Put the sheet face down and attach the bird with a hot glue gun. Cut the foam rubber sheet along the contour. Paste pieces of cardboard into a stack. You will need a string of fairy lights. Insert the battery case. Twist the lights around the body. Secure them with tape. Mount it on the wall. In the afternoon, our bird is a stylish golden element of decor, and at night, a night lamp with a quiet, cozy glow. It's a great idea for those who are afraid to fall asleep in complete darkness. Cut out a unicorn from a piece of cardboard. Attach wings to it using Scotch tape. The wings should move freely. Bend a piece of wire like this. Pass it through a hole in the wall of the box. Fasten the second piece of wire on it. Make 2 holes in the box. Pull the ends of the wire into them. You should get this mechanism. With a hot glue gun, attach a stick to the unicorn. Fasten the stick to the box. Attach wings to the wire. Twist the handle. The wings rise. Cover the unicorn with white acrylic paint. Decorate the wings with colored feathers. Cover the box with a sparkling foam rubber sheet. Move the lever, and the unicorn merrily waves its colored wings. For this life hack, you need a bigger box. Cut a crescent-shaped hole. You will need to use a foam rubber sponge as a brush and some paint. Decorate the surface of cardboard with white circles. The polka dots turned out very stylish. Do you have a problem with your laptop falling down from your knees? A cardboard table will turn your sofa into a convenient mini office. And if it's time for a lunch break, then take it to the buffet. Simple and comfortable. For the next life hack, you need a phone and a piece of cardboard. Go over the device around the outline. Cut off the excess. Measure the thickness of the phone and cut off a strip of cardboard with the desired width. Fasten it around the edge of the workpiece. Put the phone in the case. Mark the location of the ports and the window of the camera. Cut them out Cover the phone in thin strips of cardboard. The reverse side of the cover is decorated with a pattern. It all depends on your taste and imagination. Paint it in bright colors. An eco-friendly cardboard case is ready. Take care of nature and do it in style. So call me, maybe? Draw some figures like this on a large sheet of cardboard. Cut them out. Squeeze out a strip of colored hot glue. Attach the piece of cardboard with ears. Glue the parts on the sides. You get a box with a tail and ears. Using a ruler and a black marker, draw stripes on each of the box walls. Measure on the line and set the notches about every inch. Punch holes around the perimeter using an awl. Now you need a thread. Using a needle, pull parallel rows of threads between the walls. Weave a net by running the needle under the threads. Cover the net with hot glue. Cut out shapes according to the shape of the organizer's parts from multicolored pieces of a foam rubber sheet. Cover the box with the foam rubber sheet. Attach drops of hot glue to the pink ears. Glue the eyes and nose. Put markers, pens, and brushes in the organizer. The school supplies are organized in even rows. A perfectionism's dream come true. Now for the next cardboard life hack. First, make a pattern for the future product. The large pieces must be exactly the same. Cut out a drawing along the outline with a paper knife. Cut off the excess. Bend the cardboard along the lines with a ruler. Fold and glue the joints with a hot glue gun. Cut out the sides with expanding bases. Attach them with hot glue. Squeeze out a strip of hot glue and attach a cardboard strip. Cover the craft with cardboard levers. You need a piece of a pink foam rubber sheet for decoration. Glue it on the box. Decorate with stars. Put your phone on the step and hang the headset on the levers like an old-fashioned telephone. Just like the old days. The stand turned out to be unusual and very comfortable. Hello, testing, testing. Retro communication works just fine and does not detract from watching your favorite channel. Print images of some cross-sections of minerals and select pieces of cardboard of the same size. Trace the picture on the cardboard. Cut it out. Put some Elmer's glue on the cardboard. Glue on the image. Cover the picture with water-based varnish. Decorate the layer of dried varnish with a gold border. Now you've got very original coasters. They look very bright and protect the table from scratches. Cut out a shape of this size from an old cardboard box. Make several pieces like this. Connect the phone to its charger and trace around the outline. Cut through the lines with a knife. You need 4 pieces like that. Apply the template to the cardboard and circle the protruding part with a marker. Cut it out. Make several pieces and stack them. You have made 3 kinds of parts. Using a hot glue gun, glue the parts with the cutout center to each other. Join the multi-layered pieces in this way. Cover the construction with the whole pieces. Pass the charger cable through the hole. Decorate the craft with a foam rubber sheet. Decorate with pink letters. Fasten the ears. Glue the eyes and mouth. He's so sweet! Connect the phone to the charger and put it in the socket on the stand. It looks very cute. What's more, it's super convenient. We will need 2 large pieces of cardboard. Attach them to each other with a piece of bright, wide tape. Mount a smaller piece of cardboard at the base. Create a cardboard house and mark one of the walls with a marker. Cut a slit according to the thickness of the cardboard sheet. Insert a part of the base in it so that the easel does not fall apart. Bend it. Using a hot glue gun, attach the edge of the stand to the wall of the house. Make one more incision and proceed to decoration. You need some wide painter's tape. Attach parallel strips of tape. Coat it with bright aerosol paint. Let the layer of paint dry and carefully remove the tape. Insert the edge of the paper roll into the slot. Attach the sheet with a paper clamp. An easel made of cardboard is ready. Set the easel outside and immerse yourself in the world of art. What could be better than drawing in the fresh air? Did you like our cardboard craft concepts? Write in the comments which of these ideas you would like to try out. Put a like on this video and subscribe to Troom Select. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss our new videos.